Oh my god, look at this. Look at this person's car over there. Look at this person's car over here. They're like getting swamped by. They're getting swarmed by seagulls. They must have like food or something. Look at this. Oh my god, what the hell do you do at this point? What do you do at this point? Like, really? I mean, really, look at this. Look at this. Oh, whoops. Oh, wait a minute. I'm getting off topic here. So I'm getting off. My camera's getting a little off right now. Sorry, guys. They just surrounded the car. It's like, no, you're not going anywhere. Oh my god, I'm sorry, but dang, this is too good. This is too good not to record right now. Oh my god, like really. Oh my god, how are they gonna get out of here? I mean, dude, I'm literally just looking at this and thinking, what in the hell? Oh, they left. See ya.